Hello everybody, it is August 12th, 2017, and I'm out here on the pond today running another motor. This one is a 1958 Johnson 5.5. I just picked this motor up from my buddy Ron Baker, the Tomahawk, just last weekend. And when he got this motor, it was camouflaged, and he cleaned the camouflage off of it. It actually cleaned up pretty nice. It's a pretty decent looking little motor. And all I have done to it since I got it from him is just make a few minor carburetor adjustments. He ran it in the test barrel when he had it, and I got it on the boat in the pond today, just giving it a run and seeing how it does. So I'll show you how it turned out. Any weight in the front of the boat, so it's not planing off, so I think it might if I had some weight up front. It's just not balanced out very well, but the motor's running great. Idle it down here, got a fantastic idle, and it's super quiet. Reverse. Back into forward. All right. Well, thanks, Ron. That's a nice little motor. Might have to take it fishing one of these days. Anyway, that'll do it on this one. Till next time, thanks for watching, and keep your prop out of the mud.